Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to properly use Leonardo AI to generate the exact kind of content that you want. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to like and subscribe to this channel if along the way you find this video helpful. Once you're logged in or have created an account, you'll be presented with this beautiful user interface where you can use to create any kind of image that you want to create. Up here, we have Leonardo's AI tools that are presented in a grid format. And down here, down this place is for the community creations where other Leonardo users can come here to upload or where their creations are being posted. Down here, you can come and see the exact kind of prompt that they use to generate the image that you are seeing. And you can also copy it to use it to fine tune and detail your own image that you are creating. On the side here is still the same thing. We have the home, which is where we are right now. The personal feed, which is like images that I've created or images that you are going to create. That is where they are going to be. And down here, we still have the same AI tools that are up here. The AI tools are image generations, which is used to generate art illustrations with just a prompt. We have the motion, which turns images to video. We have real-time canvas where you can just where you can draw and where you can just draw an idea and it generates an image for you. We also have real-time generation where as you're typing or as you are putting in the prompt, you then like your image get generated automatically. We have the canvas editor which helps to edit and refine our images, and the upscaler, the universal upscaler, it improves quality of our image. Yes. So now we are done here. Let's get into the magic. Let's get into the creation and prompting of the images so we can generate exactly what we want. Yes, what I want you guys to do now is to click on image generation. You can click here or you can click here. Once the page is open, you'll be presented with this user interface. Up here is where you put your prompt to generate images like this. Down here is where the images that you have generated will stay. While on the side is where you kind of like detail how you want your image to come out. So let me go in detail with the explanation. Once you're in, this is what you'll be presented with. You can see the prompt that I used to generate this image here. Here's the prompt box that you can use to generate any kind of image that you want. Down here is just for how you want the image to appear. You can say you want a cinematic image with bokeh, anything that you want, you can come here and do it. If you want a HDR, long exposure, macro, a minimalist kind of image, then you can come here and click on it. We'll still be coming back to the side because we are still going to prompt our image, a new image that we are going to use. So once we're on the sidebar, you see all these button numbers and everything that is here. But it's very easy to understand. Up here is the number of image that you want to generate. You can come here and see that most of my prompt, I print them in twos. Just so you can still come here and click on 4. It brings out 4 variation of your image, so you can choose from anyone that you want to use. But the thing is that it uses so many credits. If you are bringing out 4 images, let's say it's using 10, 10, 10, that is 40. And before you know it, your 150 tokens is gone with just 3 prompts. So I'm with the 2. And down here we have photo reel. Photo reel is, it makes your image to look more like human, like a real image. Okay, down here we have Alchemy. Alchemy is Leonardo's new image processing pipeline that helps to bring images like that you can use. Not just those images that you can see and it's just like a typical artificial intelligence photo. Down here we have the transparency, which don't want background on the image that you are generating. Let's say you are generating a clip art or you are generating stickers and all that and you don't want any background on them, then you can come here and tick on this feature. Down here is public images. Any creation that you make once you're on the free plan, send your image to the community feed for everyone to see. That means no privacy for you. Let's say you are doing something for a business or for a client. That means everybody can see what you have just generated for them. So down here we have the input dimensions. This helps Alchemy to output your image in the box that you clicked. You can come to click on 768 by 512. That's how the image that you prompt is going to come out. You can come here to click on 768 by 1360. That's how the image is going to come out. And down here we still have advanced features. Let's say you don't fully understand this one. You can come here and click on it, and you can see 16 by 9, 19 by 16, 9 by 16, 4 by 3, 1 by 1. You can come here and still fine tune your image for it to come out the way that you want. And down here too is still the same thing. You can come here and say you want the height to be, let's say, 1200 pixels, and you want the width to be 1000 pixels. This is it. And you can also use this button to switch between them. You can see. So this whole place is just for how you want the image dimension to be. Down here we have the guidance scale, the tiling, recommended sizes and all that. Typically I don't normally use those ones, but see from the input dimensions, transparency and all that, that's what we use. So now we are coming to the prompts. I'm going to clean this, and I'm going to show you guys a feature that is going to help you in your image generation. And I'm going to give Leonardo a new prompt right before your eyes. So an image of a Porsche. Oh, an image of a Porsche with a tinted glass. With a tinted glass. Okay. Then let's say in a landscape futuristic Japan. So this is an easy prompt that we are going to use for this, and let's generate the image so you guys can see what this little prompt can give us. We are going to click on it, and it's on just a single image. We are going to wait for it to finish loading. Okay, now guys, you can see that the image has finished generating with just that simple prompt. You can see this is an image of a Porsche GT3 RS or something, but but this is it. Landscape view, Japan. You can see everything in detail is there, but that's just the tip of the iceberg when we are working with prompting, because we can also come here, this button, this dice that is here, we can come here and click on improve prompt. Once you click on that, it's going to load and bring a more detailed prompt that you can use. And this time around, we are going to generate 2 images. I don't know why it's not clicking. Okay, let's still generate the one. We are going to click on that one, and let's click on generate. While we're waiting for it to load, if you guys want to sign up for Leonardo AI, there'll be a link in the description below that you guys can use. Now the image has finished loading with that same prompt. You can see like this. Come on. This is so cool. But like with the text and all that, this we can come and just change it and everything. But with the image and everything, it looks cool. Futuristic Japan, landscape and everything. Come on, man. It's sick. And I'm going to save this picture that I'm going to use for my socials. But this is it. Yes, so this is for the image generation, everything about image generation. I can come here, that's cinematic. Let's choose on long exposure and see what's going to happen. Exactly. Check it out. With the long exposure feature, now you can still come here to choose on other kind of like Other feature that you can use to improve your image, I can click on HDR, but you can see that our token is coming down, and I still have other things to show you guys. So we are going to go back to use other features of the app. Now what we are going to be working with will be motion. Yes, like I said, motion turns your image to video. So now we are going to come here and select on the image that we generated. I want this one. The last image that we made, I want to turn it into a video. So I'm going to come here and click on generate. It's going to take 25 tokens from us, but we want that. And you can come here and click on view generation. So we're going to wait for it to load. Okay, now it's done generating. You can see how this image, this static image, has turned into a video. So that's it. That's motion for you guys. Now we are going to go back so we can work with other ones. Real-time canvas. This is it. Like this is a real-time canvas. I don't normally use this feature most times, but it's still something that we can use. You can come here and draw something. Let's say this is a circle. We're going to call that a circle. And this is another circle. This is going to be a nose. This is going to be a smile. Okay, I don't know what that is, but yeah. And this is going to be a round face. Like that's it. You can come here and draw anything that you want to draw, and it's kind of like outputs what it thinks you are drawing. So that's it with the real-time canvas. So now go into real-time generation. Like from down here, I don't normally use all these features. So like you can use this app and you can thrive, and you can do everything that you want to do without using all these features. We are going to skip through them. What I'm going to teach you guys next is how to make proper prompts so your image can come out the way you intend. So like what I said earlier, if you want to learn how to prompt so your image can come out like this, like this, so good. Like look at this one. You won't even know that it was artificial intelligence that made the image. What we are going to do now is to come down and click on to look for something that we like and click on it. Okay, let's come here, click on the image, and you can see create an image of a modern woman samurai. Let's say we want to create something that looks like this. What you're going to do is to come here and copy. Command C to copy your image, or copy. Okay, you can also remix the image. That you can see that there are also features that you can use to also like edit this image further. There's image to motion. You guys know what that is now. There's image to image, there's remix. But we're not going to use that. We're going to generate our own image. Remove the and paste. Okay, we're going to just click on that one. Just exactly, let's see if it's going to generate that image exactly. You can see it's kind of like why it's looking kind of different is because my photo real feature is turned on. If we still want to improve the image, we'll come down to improve prompt and click on it. It's going to give us an improved prompt, and we are going to click on generate, and let's see what is going to generate. Okay, so now the image is done loading. We took that prompt to generate this, and after this one we improved the prompt to bring out something like this. You guys can see that you can just from the you can generate something like this in Leonardo AI. This is the sunset. This is like, yeah, this is a really cool photo. that you can use for anything that you want to use. And you can still come here to add some kind of anything that you want to add. You can come here and add it. Okay, now this is the image, and let's say this beautiful image that has been generated, you don't like something about it. You can come here and click on add negative prompt. Let's say we want to remove the sword. Remove the sword and click on it. Once we click on the add negative prompt and we told it to remove the sword, you can see that there's no more sword, but I don't know if this is still a samurai, but still a Japanese woman. So yes, that's it for my Leonardo AI tutorial. Like everything that I just taught you guys is what you are going to use to generate any kind of image that you want. If you still want to use all those features, you can use them, but like they are not necessary. You just need to master this one and this one. You just need to master these two, and when you know how to use them, you can use it to generate any kind of image that you want. In my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to prompt Leonardo AI very well for it to generate, I mean, the kind of image that you want to generate in details. So if you guys want to sign up for Leonardo AI, the link is in the description. So yes, thanks and peace. See you guys on the next one.